How to add friends in Pokemon Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up Pokemon Go. After that, click on this option of your profile, and over here you will find either your me section or the friend section. Just switch to friend section and then click on add friend. Over here you will find your trainer code. Either you can share your trainer code to someone else or ask for their trainer code in order to add them, and if they give their trainer code, just enter it over here and send the request in order to join them. And also, suppose the person is right next to you, then you can click on this option of QR code in order to scan their QR code. After that, you will be able to add them quite easily. And also you can add friends from your Facebook or your contacts by just clicking on the respective buttons. And this is how easy it is to add friends in Pokemon Go. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.